Today we are going to install the SonicWall TZ370 into the RM-SW-T10 from Rackmount.IT. This rack mount kit is also compatible with the SonicWall TZ270 and 470. The installation process is exactly the same as shown in this video. You will need the SonicWall appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 5 tie wraps, 1 M3 bolt, 1 Allen key, and 9 Cat6 cables. Place the power supply on the rack and tie it down with 2 tie wraps each. Place your SonicWall on the rack. Fix the SonicWall with the bolt on the side and tighten it lightly. Tie the excess length of the power cable down with the 3rd tie wrap. Connect the cables from your SonicWall to the connectors. Optionally, connect a fiber cable and lead the cable through the opening of the rack. Use 2 tie wraps to hold the cables together. Fiber cables are not included in the package due to the wide variety and usage of fiber cables. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to install the kit into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.